YouTube, what is going, y'all? Man, look, bruh, this kind of wild. I ain't gonna lie, this kind of crazy, bro. I don't know why. I don't even know how this video gonna go, but I'm gonna just go and post it anyway. I don't really care. You feel me? I don't really care. This is not a regular POV, chat. This is not a regular POV. This is a at work POV. You feel me? Like, bro, YouTube, y'all let me know, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, I just decided to record. Consider I ain't gonna lie, I'm driving way out the city right now. Like, you feel me? I'm doing a whole journey right now. I might as well get a CDL working here, y'all boys. Like, no cap. But I was just thinking to myself for my car channel name, and it hit me. Like, I know exactly what I wanted to be, because it's been about 2-3 months I could not figure out what I wanted my car channel name to be. So I have not created it. And my gun channel not even here yet, because I ain't even bought a gun yet. But I'm about to get a gun real soon. Real soon. I know I've been saying real soon, but it's real soon. I definitely said Thanksgiving, Christmas time. And it's almost Thanksgiving, so y'all, my deadline is coming up. Update on Ty's the Name channel, my main. Bro, I got videos that's like, I don't know. I haven't edited some of the videos because I just feel like they wasn't how I wanted them to be. They didn't come out how I wanted them to look and certain things like that. That sense of like, I wasn't satisfied with the way how the videos was looking. I wasn't satisfied with the content. I wasn't really satisfied with a whole bunch of different things for each video. You know, it wasn't the same for each one of them. Like, I'm not saying I didn't like none of them. I feel like it was missing stuff, and to combine it would have been really weird and all kinds of different things like that. But yeah, I just want to kind of like talk to y'all real quick. You know, just give y'all a little how I'm feeling, like how Ty is feeling, how I've been, how everything's been going on. I haven't been streaming, I haven't been posting, I haven't been doing anything for YouTube for myself, but for y'all, for everybody, you know what I'm saying, for us, because we're like a family. Speaking of family, like, comment, subscribe, man. Sub. Watch the whole video. Do not click off. If you're gonna click off, do not start the video. Just share it instead. Yeah, man, like, I really appreciate everybody that does watch and like, though. Like, it really does. It does motivate me, because doing YouTube, bro, honestly, I could say, like, I really lost my barn find. I feel like I was on foot, bro. Tell me this don't look like something straight out of Forza, bro. You lying if I said I wasn't in Forza just now. We're in cattle. But yeah, like, I just haven't really been as motivated as I used to be, and I'm trying to do little things to get my motivation back slowly. I really appreciate y'all that support me, because that also helps a whole lot. That really does help me, like, mentally. But one main reason that really slowed me down is work. I just been working. I work a full-time job, and I be having 2 days off, which is the weekend. And the weekend, I'm kind of trying to do stuff for YouTube, but it's like I'm doing everything that I gotta do for my, like, real world life, I guess, my real life outside of YouTube. I gotta do those things on the weekend too. So it's like I'm trying to, like, squish everything all together, and mainly in the Saturday, because I go to church on Sunday, you know, you feel me? I just chill, like, on Sundays, kind of. So it's like Saturday really my only day to do stuff, because Friday I only got night, and sometimes people doing stuff at night, you know, I can't really work around that. But yeah, like, that's really how my schedule is. I'm going too fast. I got a little thing on here, but some type of tracker thing. They know how fast you go, whatever. You gotta slow down. But yeah, that's really how my schedule looks. So normally I try to squeeze time in, and normally my time of squeezing is around like 11 o'clock at night, and I be tired because, mind you, I'm working full time. So it's like I really just don't have that much energy to do other things like I used to. I low-key want to start bringing back skits because, you know, I feel like I want to do some more skits. My boy Dylan is here though. He's gonna be here for Thanksgiving. So this week is Thanksgiving week. If y'all don't see me here, don't post for me, nothing. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all and happy White Friday. What is that? But yeah, y'all enjoy yourself. Y'all have a good time. You know, we in a Ford Transit. Big machine. Big machine. I don't even know what engine is in here. It's a... I don't want to say V8 because it just don't make sense to be a V8 in here, but I think it's a 4-cylinder. It just sounds real... I don't want to say throaty, but throaty. Pause. It just sounds real throaty, like, you feel me? I don't know. I actually hate driving this thing. It makes me so tired, yo. If y'all like ever understood how far did I had to drive 67 miles. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to know how far I'm from in the Palm Beach. I'm in Palm Beach. Drove all the way to Fort Myers, bro. Like that's deep, bro. Or Fort Pierce, I'm tripping. Drove to Fort Pierce past St. Lucie, dog. And then after all my work is done, I gotta go back to Palm Beach. So it's like, yeah, bro. I be tired. And then like I gotta get to the job and do the job. Then after I do the job, I gotta drive. It's just real tiring, I ain't gonna lie. And last night, I didn't get off work till like 6 o'clock. I know people are probably like, oh, that's not even nothing. But I mean, when you wake up at 7 in the morning, leaving your house at 7:30 and you're getting off work at 6 o'clock, like, bro, that is, I don't care what anybody says, that's long. That is a long time. And majority of the time you're driving. So everybody that really knows how to drive knows, bro, driving is not like just driving, you have a good time. Like if I was in a Porsche, if I was in a car that I actually enjoy, or you know what I'm saying, like I was in a GTR or something cool, like I was in a little sports car, I'm driving, I'm like, bro, I probably wouldn't mind. But driving in this? Nah, bro. See? I can't even go 1 mile over the limit. Nah, bro. Nah. So yeah, that's how I've been feeling. Just a lot going on lately. I got my headgear on right now, so let me know how y'all feel about that. Hopefully this not too in the way, because I'm trying to block myself from the sun. They don't got no tints to it. But yeah, like, what do y'all want? Like, y'all help me, because I want to know, what do y'all want to see? Because I kind of have stuff planned for midnight to be modded and all that for the car channel. The car channel is going to be Cars with Ty. And I got a Sounds with Ty for lo-fi and stuff. I haven't been posting on there either. And then the other one's going to be Guns with Ty. So Ty's the name, Sounds with Ty, Cars with Ty, Guns with Ty. So I'm at 4 channels in total. That is crazy. Like, oh my days. 4 channels, bro. I can barely juggle one right now. Like, you know, y'all just pray for me, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, I want to take YouTube to a point where it's like, I wouldn't necessarily say a job, but you know, that's really kind of what it is. Like, you know, it gets to a point where you just do YouTube and that's your main source of income or whatever. It could be partial. I don't want it to be my main source. Obviously I'm gonna have multiple other things that I'm doing, but I just want to get to that point where it's like, yo, I'm making money off YouTube, I can do what I need to do. We good where I can do what I need to do, you know what I'm saying, and post and get everything done in a timely manner, all that stuff like I want, you know what I mean? I don't want to sit there and be like, dang, bro, I'm posting YouTube videos and I'm not making no bread because I'm not getting likes, I'm not getting watch time, I'm not getting, you know, the production that I need. I don't want to be sitting there relying specifically on YouTube and putting majority of my energy into it. So it's like I'm just getting nothing out of it. I want to have stuff just in case on the side. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, low key, I would get a part-time job, but I don't know how I feel about that, because at that point, I'm gonna either feel one or two ways. Either I'm gonna be like, yeah, this is cool and I'm good, or I'm gonna be like, bro, I don't even want to do this at all. So I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I don't know about that, but yeah, I got one last stop. I'm 8 minutes away, y'all. When that 8 minutes up, then we gonna, you know what I'm saying? Clip it, cut it. Yeah. This is Demon 170, Optimus Prime. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where I'm at, y'all. I don't know where I'm at. What is that? Is this the Army Reserve? Optimus? Hold on, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm type nervous, y'all. Life is a highway. I'm gonna ride it all night long. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna quit this job. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. So y'all pray I get another job or something, because I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm about to leave. These boys not finna be seeing me too much longer. No cap. Like, one thing I can say to y'all boys is, like, you know, just respect yourself. And have, I don't want to say be prideful, but have some type of dignity, you know? Like, just know your worth. That's what I want to say. Just know your worth. Like, don't let nobody, like, take advantage of you, you know? But that don't mean you always got to, like, you know, just be, nah, bro, you got to be humble at the same time. I just pray God keep me humble with everything. I don't want to ever, that's one thing I do, like, have been seeing with, like, people that get famous or get face, like, they end up letting the money change them and stuff. I don't want to do that. Honestly, I just want money so I can buy, like, cool cars and buy a house and help my family that need help, you know, and my friends that need certain things that I know that they need, and, you know, we all know, like, together between each other. What I need from y'all is to like, so other people can like. Feel me? I mean, there's a lot of people around there. Let me creep up. Oh, you coming this way? Alright. We good to go. Is she walking a raccoon? Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie. I'm already tired. Whoa, Cadillac. I'm not gonna lie, just saying all that to the camera made me feel type better. Cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I low-key have been type stressed. Cause I'm just like, you know, I really like making YouTube videos and stuff, and I just haven't really been having the time, the want, the drive to do it, and I just been feeling bad. Like, dang, bro, I can't do what I want because this, or this is making me take up too much of my time. That is a crib. Flying G Estates. That is a crib. Just a bunch of spooky trees. Yeah, I really was like, dang, bro, I haven't really been able to post anything. I was like, you know, I just want to try to get short, even like videos like POVs are really easy to film and edit, because it's like real simple stuff, like, you know, chop, clean up, audio stuff, stuff like that. Little intro, outro, and call it a day. It's pretty easy, because all I gotta do is drive. Put my headgear on, of course. Yeah, like, it's not really much else to it. I just really like POVs. I'm trying to find other type of content that I could do, that I could put up. That'll be real simple as well. Because all the other videos I have are like, I wouldn't necessarily say they're hard, but it's like it takes a little bit of planning, I guess. Am I the only one that, like, when cars are coming in and incoming traffic next to you, you always like look inside their vehicle? Like, I be looking at, what the? Life is a highway, I'm gonna ride. Alright, I'm on the ride. Martin County? Bro, I am far, y'all. Look, Palm Beach. I don't know what these numbers mean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might sound slow, but I'm not gonna sit here and cap. I don't know what them numbers mean. 49, is that 49 miles, right? That's what I always assume. 49 miles. Or does that mean 49 exits? Please, somebody help me out with that, because I have no clue. I might look crazy dumb for saying that, but it's the truth. I really just don't know. Man, that grass is super green. Luscious. Just want to frolic in it and skip to Malou. I ain't gonna lie, I might. Let me know if y'all like these work truck POV. Okay then. They got nice long. Oh my gosh. That, you want to talk about land? You want to talk about land? What is this? It's probably like a second house type. Okay. That look like a church. I ain't gonna tell. But yeah. Hey man, this is gonna wrap up this POV. I'm about 2 minutes away from my destination. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all so much.